Okay, gents, what do we have here? It's Lunyee 4040 Nova and it's unboxing. The year is 21st of May. Local time is something like 8:19 of, I don't know how to say it. So it's 1900. The package was delivered something like 2 hours ago. I already opened the box and I found that the machine is damaged. I don't know how badly machine is damaged, but some damages can be seen. First of all, I can see that the package is really damaged. It's only cardboard, it's not an issue potentially. But when we open up the upper cardboard, we can see that the main board enclosure is damaged. Potentially it's only cosmetics, but I'm not sure, because if I am not mistaken, in this box the main board must be installed. So potentially if some electronic components were damaged, I will have some great issues with my new machine. I can see that the box with the drills is damaged too. Potentially it was pressed into one of these things. It's very likely it was located somewhere here. What about the upper axis? Looking good as for me. But if we will remove the upper layer, there is a lower part, and I can say that lower part is damaged, and potentially is damaged very badly. So here we have some pins which are torn out from the main structure. We have some gaps between this middle part and the one which is covered in the orange. And here on the other side we don't see such a gap. So my supposal is that the thing is broken. Some geometry was, changed. Potentially it will lead to some issues during the milling process. I'm not sure that everything will work fine, so I'm writing this video just to have a proof. And if Lunyee will not take some positive decision from my point of view, of course I will use that video on YouTube, on Reddit, maybe somewhere else, because I'd like to have some insurance to understand that this situation will not lived as is. So I'd like to have some decision. Maybe the machine change, maybe some spare parts sending from the supplier, something like that.